Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here then hi, my name is Sayani and welcome to another self-portrait idea video. So today is a photo shoot day of course, and I have decided to show you guys what it actually goes behind a proper photo shoot, ekdam step by step. So without further wasting any more time, let's get started with today's video. But before that, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there to get more of me. And yeah, now let's get started with today's video. So the first step is planning. So what I do is I go to Pinterest, and you already know that I get my inspiration from Pinterest. So I just search anything, like whatever is on my mind, I just search it. Like suppose I'm searching for flower self-portrait ideas. Here you can see all these self-portraits using flowers, so many picture ideas, and from here if I like anything then I just get the idea of it and then I plan my entire shoot according to that particular picture. मैंने already एक picture देख रखी है, which is this one. Just look at this picture guys, it's so beautiful. So that's how I plan a picture. I just get the inspiration picture from Pinterest and then I decide everything according to my choice. This was the first step, and let's move on to the next step. So I have this dried flowers with me, and ये मैंने अपनी resin projects के लिए खरीदी थी. I will link it down below. So these are the flowers I have. As you can see यहाँ पे बहुत सारी colors की varieties है. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna arrange these flowers according to the color tones so that ये देखने में ठीक ठाक लगे. So this is how I have arranged these flowers according to their color tones and all. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click a picture of this arrangement. And now I'm gonna stick these flowers on my face in exactly this pattern. Also I'm gonna find a top, something similar to these colors. Okay, so I finally found something because the color tone is like warm, very yellowish tone. So I was thinking to go for something in yellow, but then I thought कि let's just go for white, क्योंकि white के साथ बहुत सारी flowers की combination बहुत अच्छी जाएगी. And white top के अंदर I only have this option, and I know you have already seen this top in so many of my videos because whenever I have to wear anything white, I always go for this top. I know it's washing out, you will recognize when I will wear it. And also इसके साथ pair up करने के लिए I will wear this off-white jeans. So yeah, this is going to be my outfit hopefully. Because I'm going for completely white outfit, I was thinking to make the background yellow. Yellow background के अंदर I guess I have a sari in बिल्कुल proper plain yellow solid sari. So I think I will use that sari as my backdrop. So yeah, let's set the backdrop. Time for makeup. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with my makeup. Now I'm gonna stick these flowers on my face, and for that I will be using this eyelash glue. So this is my final look. This is how I'm going to look in the pictures. So yeah, I'm gonna click some pictures right now and let's see how it turns out.
Take a breath, feel the air, because I never want this moment to end. Listen close
and taking some pictures. I hope कि pictures अच्छे आए हो. I click those pictures in like super fast speed क्योंकि अभी अंधेरा होने वाली है, बहुत ही cloudy weather है. I'm satisfied with the shoot. अभी edit करने के बाद पता चलेगा, अभी pictures देखने के बाद पता चलेगा कि if the pictures are worthy or not. Yeah, I think I'm gonna remove this flowers and remove my makeup, and then I will do my little skincare, and then I will show you guys how I will edit those pictures. Who doesn't want a clear, healthy, radiant, glass-like skin? Just like those Korean models who have plumpy, dewy, luminous, healthy skin. Such skin is a dream, isn't it? In Southeast Asia, rice has been used for generations to achieve that glass-like skin. And now, to achieve that glass-like skin, we spend our precious time making those time-consuming DIYs with rice, or end up choosing the wrong products which are not that effective. I mean, we all love a convenient and quicker solution, don't we? And to fulfill that aspiration, Mama Earth brings you their rice water range that gives you clear, brighter, glass-like skin. So I follow a 2-step skincare routine to achieve the glass-like skin. So first, I use this Mama Earth rice face wash to wash my face, which is enriched with goodness of rice water, which is rich in antioxidants, fights free radical damage, even tones the skin. Niacinamide reduces dark spots and acne marks. Glycerin locks the hydration and keeps the skin moisturized and supple, resulting more clear, hydrated, even toned, plumpy skin. This face wash has this very rich buttery texture, looks and smells just like rice paste. It doesn't make your skin dry or anything. It gently removes excess oil on your face without stripping the essential moisture away from your skin. Okay, so I just washed my face, and can you see any difference? Like, I can clearly see it's looking much refreshed, much brighter and nourished. Now second step is to moisturize your face, and for that I use this Mama Earth Day Cream. It also has same ingredients like the face wash. So first, pump out a decent amount of the product, apply it evenly on your face and your neck, and now massage it gently until it gets fully absorbed. It has non-greasy formula, doesn't leave your skin oily and sticky. It fully absorbs, moisturizes and even tones the skin. Also helps reducing blemishes and dark spots, and it has SPF 32. Regular usage of these two products can help you achieve glass-like glowing, plumpy and moisturized skin. And you don't need to worry about using these rice paste range daily because they are made safe certified, which means the products contains no toxins. They are dermatologically tested and suitable for all the skin types. Mama Earth products are free from harmful chemicals and they are made of all natural ingredients. Mama Earth is a plastic positive Indian brand. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on their website to a tree that they plant, and they will send you the exact geolocation, the picture and the species of the plant. Use my code PAUL2022 to get a 20% discount at their website mamaearth.in. Mama Earth products are available on Mama Earth, Amazon, Nykaa, Purple and Flipkart. They also have launched their official app. Users get early access to sales and will get extra discounts. The website links and the product links are given in my description box, so don't forget to check them out. And now let's start editing the pictures. So here's my phone, and here I'm gonna put the screen recording. So yeah, let's begin. Okay, so as you can see, the pictures have too much objects and मेरी frame के अलावा भी बहुत कुछ आ गई है picture में. As you can see, first हम ये सब ठीक करेंगे, उसके बाद हम color tones, lighting and ये सब edit करेंगे. So first I'm opening PixArt. First I'm going to the tools option, and then I am going to this option called clone. And with the help of this option, I'm gonna do this. I don't know how to explain this. So what I'm doing is covering the white part and making it yellow with the help of this tool. जहाँ पे भी ऐसी white कपड़ा दिख रहा था, वहाँ पे मैंने cover कर दी है yellow से. So this tool works to create clone, but I use this tool to remove unwanted things from my picture. Now I'm gonna crop the picture into Instagram Reel ratio, which is a 9:16 ratio, क्योंकि मैं ये pictures को reel पे use करूँगी. And yeah, that's it. Now as you can see, the background is not plain, like बहुत ही creases है इसमें. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna open this picture on the app called Snapseed, and I'm gonna go to this tools option. Then I'm going to the option called healing, and now you just have to do this. Can you see the changes? Like ये background को बिल्कुल मतलब heal कर देता है. So this is the before and after. जो creases था वो बिल्कुल कम हो गया है, मतलब ज़्यादा plain नहीं हुआ है, but it's okay. That's how I remove the unwanted parts from my picture, frame my picture, and yeah, those things are done. Now the final step is to go to Lightroom. Let's edit this one. First I'm going to the light option and decreasing the exposure because the picture is too bright. Decreasing the contrast. I always decrease the contrast क्योंकि ज़्यादा contrasting pictures मुझे अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं. Decreasing the highlights, increasing the shadow, decreasing the whites, increasing the blacks. Then I'm going to the curve section and white curve का जो नीचे का part है I'm going to decrease it a bit, like very little amount of it. And ऊपर का जो point है वो भी मैं थोड़ी सी increase कर रही हूँ. Yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to the color tab and then यहाँ से I think I'm gonna increase the vibrance a bit. Yeah, and saturation को भी मैं थोड़ी सी बढ़ाई देती हूँ. I love colorful pictures, you know. Then I'm going to the grading section and from here you can change the color tones of the shadow and highlight of your picture. So I'm changing the shadow color tone a bit. मैं थोड़ी सी greenish करी हुई है. And उसके बाद I'm going to the highlight option and from here I'm going to change the color tone into this color. Okay, then I'm going to the mix tab and I'm first increasing the saturation of the red and also increasing the luminance. Then I'm going to the orange tab and also increasing the saturation and then I'm increasing the luminance. Orange defines the skin tone, by the way. Then going to the yellow section and increasing the saturation and luminance a bit. And बाकी all the colors remain same क्योंकि this picture does not have any other colors. Lastly, I'm going to the effects tab and यहाँ से ही मैं असली काम करूँगी, which is the vignette option. And vignette option से you can make this blackish corners जो you know vintage pictures में होती है, which looks good in some picture, but ऐसे ड्रीमी टाइप के पिक्चर के लिए मैं ऑलवेज इसे इंक्रीज कर देती हूँ सो दैट इट जस्ट गिव्स द वाइटिश बॉर्डर. इट जस्ट मेक्स द पिक्चर मोर ड्रीमी. थोड़ी सी क्लैरिटी को भी डिक्रीज करी हूँ सो इट डिक्रीजेज द क्रिस्प अमाउंट ऑफ द पिक्चर, लाइक ड्रीमी सॉफ्ट कोट टाइप की वाइब देती है. एंड दिस इज द बिफोर एंड आफ्टर. आई थिंक या दैट्स इट. आई एम नॉट गोना एडिट इट एनी मोर एंड आई एम गोना कॉपी दिस. आई एम गोना पेस्ट इट ऑन माई एवरीडे पिक्चर्स एंड या दैट्स इट.
Listen close, and you'll understand what the wind is speaking to you, while the rays of sunshine soothe you. You are my sunflower.
And that's all about this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. If so, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. Please go follow me there to get more of me. Comment down below and share this video. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.